Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And I have a question for you all. What was the lowest price which you ever bought XRP at? For me, I think it's like about half a cent or so that I bought XRP at in 2017, but to be honest with you, I don't even remember what the lowest point is. But do you guys remember? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are enjoying these daily crypto videos, I wouldn't say no to a like. Right? Those likes help the video perform a little bit better. And so you're definitely helping me out. All right, so having said that, make sure you check out my second channel called 5 Minute Crypto, and you might want to check out the BITRUE crypto exchange. Good side is, oh my days, they have some crazy leverage. Bad side is, oh my god, they have some crazy leverage. I've used BITRUE a couple of times. You guys know I have my Polkadot stored on there, which we bought at about $8 a pop. You might want to check that out. That's it, right? You do you. Moving on though, because we have some juicy stuff to cover. Jeremy Hogan has stepped in a little bit further. I know that Gary Gensler cannot and will not answer this. What is he talking about? Well, he's talking about the fact that he asked Gary Gensler if Ethereum was a security, yes or no. Because we all know from watching Gary Gensler's videos that he thinks of it as a security. We're talking about Ethereum. Yet, when asked the question, is it really a security? He has never answered directly to it. And so Jeremy Hogan got thousands upon thousands of likes to just basically get this question answered, right? Rightfully so. But nobody replied. And I don't really think that's surprising. Jeremy also says it. The point we are highlighting is twofold. One, there is no clarity. It took me a couple of hours of research to figure out the answer is probably Ether is a security, depending on about 5 different variables. So, cannot lack of clarity allows for selective enforcement. The SEC has no incentive to have clarity because it would force them to enforce per cleared criteria. First, it is not set up to enforce all violations, and second, arbitrariness is power, and power is money, so will not. And this points to a couple of things. One, the SEC does not really want clarity because it gives them more money. Two, the SEC has and keeps on stating that it is already clear, yet they do not want to kind of broaden up that definition of what clear means because the people don't find it clear, yet they say it is. Then third, they've explained before that it needs to be dealt with on an individual basis, yet they never give any clear rules for those individual factors, and even if they do have those, like for example the Howey test, it is difficult to apply them because, well, if it was the same type of way for all of them, then why would it have to be dealt with in an individual manner, right? If all of them have the same type of criteria, then it would have been really simple to just go over all of them by the SEC, right? And just quickly say security is not security, but at least for maybe like the top 100 or top 200, just to let people know in the freaking crypto community that are maybe potentially wasting their money on scams, right? Once more, that Gary Gensler calls these unregistered securities. Yet they don't. Which leads me to wonder, why exactly would they post these type of things? And why would Gary Gensler say they have to go after trading and DeFi and lending? Yet he doesn't go after just making the rules clear. He's talking about making sure that people can't scam others from a certain perspective, right? For example, the DeFi realm with all these hacks. Yes, but no. I mean, DeFi investments mostly are based around a platform, which mostly is based around a coin. If Gary Gensler, or that authority right there, gave a clear rule for when exactly a coin like that, or token like that, is good or bad, I think a lot of this stuff would already be avoided. My own opinion, but I definitely do believe in that, right? If they just gave a clear overview, for example, a Binance coin. If he said Binance coin is a scam or a security, well, all of a sudden the Binance Smart Chain is kind of going to drop, right? For example, or at least the BNB coin can drop and the ecosystem kind of go away piece by piece because we know, okay, BNB is bad, so not 100% sure about that, but I'm just kind of thinking, if they really thought that those things were scams, then tell us. And coming back to this earlier point, I've also been thinking about this for a good while here, guys. 20 cents per XRP. 20 cents per XRP. Right now, that is about times 5.5 your money. If we just had a Bybit long position open from that point up forward, how juicy would that have been, huh? How happy would I, DustyBC, have been if that were to be the case? But you guys know I have a position in XRP open since about 73 cents or so. It's still going strong. I might even add, for example, right now to just buy, even though it's $1.12, I know I just want to have more XRP in my long position. I just want to strengthen it a little bit because I do believe that, see if I just bought right there, could have been juicy. Because I strongly believe it's just going to keep making us money as time moves on. So, yeah, it's difficult. It's really difficult. Then, guys, I saw this over on Twitter, and it led me to two new conclusions. One, this reads, the white paper for this project, Smart Build Community, claims that the SCB token is based on Ledger XRP. The network reaches consensus through the Ripple protocol consensus algorithm. The price of one SBC is pegged to one XRP. And I've never heard this thing before, but kind of sounded like an advertisement if it wasn't so, non-promoting like. He said the white paper is not as impressive as the website. Then again, I started thinking back at some of the projects I've shown you and some of the airdrops which we've had. One of those, again, being the Acria. And then I thought, you know what? If these things are being talked about, everything that uses XRP, I gotta dig a little bit further. And a lot of you guys in the comment section were saying, yeah, the Acria sounds interesting. So I went to do a little bit of digging, and I trust that you guys understand I am not a perfect developer, which basically means this stuff is difficult, but it sounds juicy. And so I quickly sent a couple of emails around to people who knew more. And one of the things which they really made clear to me, and even some of you guys in the comment section, is that it's going to be a pretty interesting way to earn free XRP passive income with this, right? At least that's the way that I kind of fetched it. So let me see. I have a couple of things written down. Oh no, it's just about Chainlink 2.0. So when I was reading through this, because I read the entire paper, I understood potentially about half of this stuff, because as I said before, it is not for the easiest minds, so to speak. I guess the mathematical calculations I can understand, but the exact way that these things work is still odd to me. Yet it came down to, well, let me see here about the reward, because I'm trying to write it down, but it was kind of difficult for me. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here. It makes it possible to stake XRP and earn protocol fees. Let's see. Did I write anything else down? What is relevant to the video? Let me see. No. I already talked about that. No. Once more, guys. If you're thinking this guy's unorganized, yes, I am. Huh? Yes, I am. I'm trying to figure out exactly what parts of this I understand completely to tell you guys. What I know is it sounds amazing. And I was trying to figure out exactly where the bad part is because they haven't launched that thing completely yet. However, once more, talked about in CNBC, it doesn't happen that often. And, well, like we said before, the German Innovation Award. Guys, if you all keep saying yes, I might just buy into it and go crazy. Because right now there's double coins, right? I think we talked about that before. I haven't gotten any just quite yet, but if you guys say, yeah, it sounds like a juicy project, make sure you just check out exactly down below and read through it for yourself. Once more, if you have any questions, don't come up to me, but I might be able to check out some of their Twitters or so. Again, you can see here, there's the CEO is public, so that's not a crazy thing. The CMO is one of the guys who also used to talk about XRP in the community. He's changed that from his title, but, I know him. I see his face right there. There's no any other right here. Let's see. Okay, they have a Twitter account as well. We might be able to contact them that way. Huh. Let's quickly see if they got anything on here that's really interesting to me. So the CEO held a keynote speech at the AIBC summit. Okay, so let's state two things. One, I pretty much believe in the okay, this is a green screen though. I guess maybe because it's 2021 with the whole CV, the whole, I don't want to say the word out loud, situation. But I'm going to say because the CEO is public like that, and it's a project which I guess is kind of taken over to be a Chainlink 2.0. That's again what I fetched from this. It's got my legitimacy sticker, which basically means I do trust that they will perform and I do trust they will get us further. However, the only question is what is the price going to do and how much adoption is it going to get? So I would say as XRP community, right? All of us, if it's a way to earn passive income with XRP, I think we should try it out, right? That's my own personal opinion. Do whatever you want, but I'm thinking that way. However, I will not tell you that it will go times 1,000 or times 100 because I don't know. We have to wait a little bit further to see how it develops in terms of, networking basically because it's kind of small. Same thing for projects like this, like I just explained. I don't know what it is, right? I haven't read it and I don't know if it's good or bad. However, if this is this one, let's see here again. One SCB is pegged to an XRP. Maybe I should have actually read the website as well. White paper is not as impressive as the website, but pretty clear about the XP Connect. If there's projects that have an XRP connection, it might be worth it to dive in deeper. It might really be worth it. I am doing my bestest best every single motherfucking day to look for other ways to make money with XRP. And one thing we got is BITRUE. Another one which we got. Wow, I'm drawing a blank right here. What are the ways to get XRP for free? We got BITRUE. I guess this one can be another staking reward. I think we got it on crypto.com before, or Nexo at least. Nexo, I think, got XRP rewards. Because XRP Ledger doesn't allow for native staking, things are a little bit more difficult, huh? But let's quickly see here that you have Oracle Node and Staking Node. If you want kind of the summary, it's just a Chainlink 2.0, but then done in a little bit of a different fashion. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Only the distributor of the real-world data is able to operate an Oracle Node. Therefore, all untrustworthy middlemen are eliminated, which is interesting. And all other users are able to stake various crypto on those nodes to provide them with additional credibility. That's, again, where the XP passive income comes in, I think. All the other participants are able to join those Oracle nodes with their stake to provide additional credibility to that node, like we just said. At the same time, they're also earning rewards as they enable the reputation system. Okay, so the better you are, the more money you're about to earn, right? The reputation system usually works like that. Let's quickly check here again what it is. One of the most pressing issues when developing smart contracts is the lack of real-world data. But due to technical limitations such as the consensus protocol, no blockchain has been able to solve this major limitation. The Acria network solves exactly this problem with the help of so-called Oracle nodes that don't require a middleman. In addition to this, it offers cross-chain support for various blockchains in the real world. So guys, I will do another update in a couple of days from here, I think, once I understood the white paper perfectly. Let me do another reread, talk with a couple of people that know programming really well, get the deeper layers of it. And even though it sounds good right now because it's going to be free XP that we can earn this way, and I guess free other crypto that we can earn this way, as kind of a Chainlink 2.0, I will dive even deeper and I'll tell you guys exactly if I'm going to buy something or not. I have no idea if it's actually already available for sale or how that works. I don't know anything about sales, guys. I just buy it usually when it gets to the bigger market. But I'll tell you all right? I'll tell you. Don't worry about it. I'm looking into it. Sounds juicy, though. So prepare for something bullish. Prepare for something bullish. I think I'm going to go for it. And this one, I guess I'm going to read into it. All right, I don't know if it's an advertisement or not because it's kind of random. Like, I don't know. I have no idea how he came up to this either. Then again, maybe it's cool. I have no idea. I'll check it out and I'll report on with you guys a little bit later. I'll check everything out. If there's any other project which you want me to cover or you think is juicy and connected to XRP, let me know in the comments section down below. We have the XRP channel from some perspective. So, you know, we got to post that type of stuff. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in another crypto video soon.